Every day is a great day for science, especially Mondays. It's Mad Science Monday, and joining me today, as always, Professor Miles and Professor Mad. Guys, what do you got for us today?
Oh, this is going to be such a great day. We are actually talking about the science of magic.
Ooh.
Do you have a favorite type of magic?
Yeah, I think the type of magic would have to be card tricks.
Card tricks. I love card tricks. I'm not any good, but I do like card tricks, especially if somebody really knows what they're doing. But
Yeah.
listen, this is what we're going to do. We're going to use magic, not card tricks, but different kinds of magic. We're going to use magic to teach what we call the scientific method.
Got it.
And the scientific method is a series of ideas that we use to be able to solve problems, okay?
Oh, okay.
And here's another thing. You know Professor Jeremy, who's been working with us for
Yeah.
a while? Well, he brought a friend of his with him,
Ooh,
and his name's Benny.
Oh,
Right? Okay?
this
And
guy?
yeah, that guy right there. And he's going to help us there with our first magic trick, okay?
Okay.
So bring Benny over here for me, okay? So this is what we're going to do. The scientific method says, first of all, we need to find out what the issue is or the problem. So what we're going to do, we're going to make Benny disappear.
Ooh.
Okay? I'm going to put him right here in this box.
Got it.
Go in there, go in there, go in there. Okay, okay. Come over here. Do you see Benny?
Yeah, he's right here.
Right where? Well, didn't work too well. But wait, down there. Okay, this is what we need to do. I want you to say some magic words.
Please.
Please, as in disappear. Okay, now this is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna pull this up right here, and I'm gonna reveal it. Nothing there.
Okay, yes it is. Is it?
Okay, here, pull up the back one.
Oh, okay.
Nothing there.
Where
Oh,
do
wait.
you go?
Oh, what was obvious where he went down in that hole right. There's no hole. There's no hole. Hello, Benny.
Benny?
He's there. Reach in there, see if you can find him.
Benny.
And there he is! Ta-da!
Wow.
Now, here's the thing. We had a problem, and we tried to figure out how it worked. Then we investigated. We looked around, and we found him there. Now, here's the thing. We have to guess at what happened, or hypothesize. Exactly. But wait, here's my thought. Most people don't have a magic box like this at home.
They don't?
I don't think so. Do you?
No.
Okay, so this is what we're going to do. We're going to use something that you might be able to do at home. 3 cups right there.
Got
so
it.
lay those 3 cups out. Okay, 1, 2,
Boom.
3.
Boom.
Okay, we're going to spread them apart here.
Okay.
Now watch this. I want you to think for all the kids at home.
Okay.
Okay? Just lost my earpiece. I want you to think for all the kids at home, and this is what I want you to do. I want you to choose which cup we're going to put the water in.
Okay.
And I'm going to pour water in, then we're going to make water disappear, just like we made Benny disappear. Okay. Am I going to pour it in cup 1?
Nah. No.
No. Am I going to pour it in cup 2?
No.
No. Well, ask them at home. What do you think?
Should they
How
pour
about-
it in cup 2?
How about 3?
Actually, no. Not 3. Cup 2. Cup 2 seems good.
The middle cup, you're sure?
Yes, cup 2.
Middle cup it is. Okay. So, wait a minute. I'm going to pour it here.
That's not cup 2.
Oh, that's not cup 2? Okay, I'll put it in the middle. Is that okay? Not really, but no, okay. So what I'm gonna do is pour it here.
Okay, but that's
And then-
not cup 2.
No?
That's still not cup 2.
You want it in this one, right?
Yes, that's cup 2.
Okay. Now I mixed them up, so you're sure that's the right cup.
Yes, that is cup 2.
Now I'm gonna perform the magic. And I'm gonna use magic words. Are you ready?
Yes.
Here we go. Soup basana, hot banana, cats chase mice and birds. Zippity doo, boppity boo, I forgot the words.
Are you Dr. Seuss?
I'm not.
Oh.
Which cup is the water in? Were you following?
No.
Is it in this cup?
No.
Are you sure?
Please no.
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 Let's do it again. Soup basana, hot banana, cats chase mice and birds. Zippity doo, boppity boo. Again, I forgot the words. Which one's it in?
Okay, it's not gonna be in cup 2 because cup 2 is cup 2 and
Not
yes
gonna
it
be
is.
cup 2.
Oh, it's not.
Okay.
Okay. Then if cup 2 is cup 2, then cup 3 is cup 3, so cup 2 is cup 1. Cup 1.
Cup 1.
It's cup 3, isn't it?
Cup 3. No. Here's the question. we have a problem. The problem is we poured water into one of the cups and it doesn't appear to be there or there or there. So we're gonna turn these cups back over. We investigated, we observed, we guessed or hypothesized, and then we tested it. Now, here's the cool part. It's your job at home to try and figure out what we did. You have until Wednesday afternoon.
Okay.
To hypothesize, do your research, figure out how it works, take a picture, post it to our Facebook page. What do they have to do before they can post a picture to Facebook?
Ask your parents.
Ask mom or dad, make sure it's okay, and then show me a picture of you solving this problem. And we will choose one or two
Okay.
and put them up on TV on Friday.
Ooh.
So come back Friday, we'll tell you how it works, and we might even post your picture. Remember, there's a problem, you need to investigate or observe, you need to guess how it works or test, and then you need to test it or experiment.
Yes, experiment. I forgot the word.
Okay, and that's what we have for you today. Make sure you come back Friday. Our Facebook page is Mad Science Oklahoma, okay? And I think that's it for today.
Okay.